Okay, on this video I'm going to be taking out the alternator. I'll show you the reason why in a while. So to begin, you're going to have to take out the intake. You got two 10mm bolts. This one. You're also going to have to take out this harness. Just push this tab in. This connects to the mass airflow sensor. So I already took these two bolts out. Same thing, 10mm. So with a flathead, you're gonna want to loosen the throttle on both sides, the throttle body, and take this out. You got better access to the alternator. After that, you got another 10mm bolt holding on the power steering fluid. That's another one I'm going to take off. This one here, and then a 10 on this side. It's a 10mm, and you also got this one as well. Now you can shift this to the side. You can see this alternator is drenched with oil. These vehicles have an issue with this oil filter housing. Always leaks oil out through the engine. For me, I ended up getting to the alternator, which caused it to fail. Sometimes the belts actually as well gets damaged, gets stuck on the pulley. This will deteriorate from all the oil leaking through here. Goes around the pulley and shoots up the camshaft, and then you got pieces of belt all through the engine, all through the rods, the keepers, and some will fall down into the oil panel. On this vehicle, you actually have to drop the subframe in order to get to take out the oil panel. So luckily for me, the alternator stopped it before I kept driving it and messing up this belt. It is a common thing for this vehicle. So I'm gonna take this out, probably replace it. I'm gonna see if I could clean it, repair it. So I'll show you the process of taking this alternator out. That's how you're gonna push into the pulley to release the belt. Okay, so after you finish dropping your tools, get your ratchet to the pulley and give it a pull in order to release the belt. Got the wrong side. Okay, this bolt to holding on this pulley from the alternator is a 16. Use a breaker bar, break it loose. Yeah, that's tight. Got 3 of these. Take that out. Take this one, then 3 in the bottom. Plug this. So by taking out the radiator cover, it's really gonna help you take out the alternator. We got a lot more space here. Really helps. You gotta take out that ductwork that's connected to the alternator. Really not much space. That is tight. Make it easy. Get all that oil. Stick real things. I'm gonna see if I can repair this. That's a lot. Connections if we can. But I'm assuming all that oil was just not letting this alternator work. I'm gonna see if I could just clean it. Go check it out, see if it works, and I'm gonna have to buy a new one. Yeah, it was real tough to get out. See how much oil got in there. I'm gonna have to clean all this out. I'm just happy the belt didn't snap off from all that oil. I wonder if my steering pump works. I'll offer housing, oil housing, gasket, little rubber. So here's where the bolt goes for the top, holding into the pulley, and this goes to the bottom. I'm not gonna show the process of putting it back in because I'm probably gonna repair it or buy a new one. But putting it back in is just the same process as taking it out, just backwards. So you're probably gonna have trouble trying to get the alternator in. You gotta shift this to the side as much as you can. If you could take out this reservoir, you probably have the most space. But if you wanna change your fluid, your antifreeze, go ahead and do it. It's not too hard to take this out. But if you don't want to, it's gonna be a pain. Also taking out this cover helped out a lot. And now I had to take out the fan belt. But I'm gonna have to clean all this out. That's why I'm not gonna show putting the alternator back. It's probably gonna take me a week cleaning all this out, changing the housing. But it's the same process as putting it back in. You've seen the process of taking it out. Just do it backwards, and you'll be good. Have any questions? If you have any questions, just put it on the bottom. I'll comment as soon as I can. Just stay up to my channel, subscribe if you want to see the rest of this work. I probably will be showing replacing the new alternator. I'll upload the video once I do it. But I'm gonna have to do a lot of work on this vehicle, and if you have a BMW X5, I recommend you subscribing to my channel because I will be doing a lot of work into this vehicle.